Yo, what's up everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones back with another video for your head top. Now, I know the energy is down right now. It's like 3 in the morning, okay? It's 3 in the matter of fact, where my phone at? So y'all know I ain't capping, man. A lot of y'all be capped. Look at that. Look at that. 3:24. Can y'all see that? It is 3:24 in the morning. Basically, what I'm doing right now is wrapping up, getting these sneakers out. I'm not sure what I probably titled this video, but I'm pretty sure it had a lot to do with the sneakers being sold. So shout out to everybody, and I do mean everybody who came through and bought sneakers. I do have a few pairs less as of right now, 3 a.m., but I do have to get everything together and ship these out ASAP for everybody who ordered, you know what I'm saying, today, which is the next day that you bought them for. So we got over here, I'm just grabbing a few that you guys have asked for, but we got the Jordan 4 winterized joints, we got the eggplant joints, we got the Wood the KD6s, the Thunder Spectres, the Ugly Sweater 7s, and I'm still grabbing more out, and I gotta put them in the boxes and then tape them up and just get them ready to send off to the post office. Alright, man, now it is 4:24 a.m. Let me pause there. I'll be watching these basketball podcasts. Comment down below if y'all watch, just random thought, it's late. But anyway, comment down below if y'all watch any podcasts. I'm always watching like either Gilbert Arenas podcast, Knuckleheads podcast, or what's the other one? All the Smoke, Gilbert Arenas podcast, Knuckleheads podcast. I'm thinking about starting my own podcast. But anyway, y'all see, man, we got all these sneakers lined up, a whole bunch. Now I'm headed tomorrow to ship these off. I'm tired as hell, man, so I'm about to get some rest. And I do also have like another package over here. This is the reason why I'm letting stuff go. I got a new pair of shoes here, so stay tuned for that video. Also got some clothes here, and I also got another pair of shoes here, and to make it even worse, I got 2 more pair that FedEx said will be here tomorrow. That's 4 more sneakers coming in tomorrow, so I'm not really, y'all see why I'm downsizing, man. It's just so much, but hey, we chipping it off one piece at a time. So yeah, like I said, I'll catch up with y'all tomorrow morning. I'm about to get some rest, but long story short, man, thank y'all, love y'all. I get with y'all soon. Peace. Yo, okay, so guys, quick update. Today is the very next day, and we have really got rid of a lot of stuff to the point where I think it's only a few actual options available. So I really want to thank y'all. Y'all are love. I even did a few local meetups because there was a few sneakers that I did not mention that people called me about, like close friends that I wound up selling. And ironically, as I was selling them to people, other people that was like driving past stopped and showed love. So if you're watching this, man, thank you for the people who did that. You know who you are. I appreciate all of you guys. But this is everything shipped up, ready to go. I will be shipping all of these off, and the only reason why they're not shipped off yet is because I'm getting so many influxes of different people at different times, because a lot of people watch my video as soon as they drop. Some people wait a day, some people wait 2, which means I get a different wave of people every day, and I don't want to make 40 trips to the post office. I just want to make one big trip, so I'm gonna just wait till like 2 days, probably tomorrow, and get rid of a lot of this stuff. I have an emotional attachment to a lot of these sneakers, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really do. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about, bro. Like that heartache, like that pounding, that achy break when you selling your shoes, even though it gotta be done, bro. It's just like, why? We really, I know the total right now, but I don't want to say the total of how much money we made doing this, and how much stuff that I'm able to reinvest in the channel by buying new equipment and getting ready for the new place. But I'll probably put it in a thumbnail or something like that. But we've been doing pretty well, bro. So hey, keep it up, man. And I got like 2 more shoes to meet up with some people and do. I really don't do meetups. I only do meetups for people that I know, like personally. Not if I heard about you or I know you through somebody, because I just don't trust that. Personal friends I do meetups for. But then after that, probably tomorrow, I'm gonna be shipping all of these out. I gotta go get the all the stuff I gotta get, and then I'm out. Okay, so day 3 is officially among us, or day 2.5, however you want to call it. I got all of the shipping labels here, so I got all of these in boxes. So now what I'm finally about to do is put shipping labels on all these boxes, and then I have to haul them all the way up to USPS. Now I was gonna do like a pickup delivery, which basically means if you have a lot of boxes like these, and they can come to your house and pick them up. But I gotta go to Gwinnett this weekend, and I did not schedule that to be soon enough, so they will have to come Saturday. I want to get these out Friday because I already kept these a little bit longer than I wanted to, because I wanted to make one trip. So I'm going to make that one trip. So guys, what I'm probably gonna do is just set this camera up and just fast pace this and let y'all see how we rocking. It's kind of out of order, so if y'all see me doing like a lot of extra stuff, I know I could have did this a better way. I'm not used to selling like a lot of sneakers, so bear with me. Alright, man, I'm not gonna lie. Going through these shipping boxes, shipping these shoes off, it got me thinking, like, bro, I got these on my birthday. I forgot what age I turned, but I remember getting these on my birthday and feeling like, yo, this back when phones was like still like low-key trash. But this colorway kind of brought a little bit of hype back. They had the Gucci foam, the white Gucci foam. And this one here was my one, bro. So I'm looking at this as I'm packing it out. I'm just like, bruh. Man, I know a lot of y'all know what it feel like to be a hoarder, bro. Like, a lot of this stuff got to go. I'm happy it's going. But, man, the memories that come from some of these shoes, bro. The memories, bro. Like, man, that's crazy. That's crazy. It got to go, though, bro. It got to go. So let me get back to it, man. Let me get some water. All right. Now we can get back to it. Guys, we are officially done. This is a lot of sneakers, and it's still some that I haven't got to ship yet. So if you're watching this video and you haven't got tracking or shipping, I'm gonna have to ship it the next day because the post office is about to close and I don't want to miss this. So I'm gonna just head out and take this first bulk out first, and then I'm gonna take out the second one second. I just didn't want to hold on and wait any longer. So the people who order first is coming out right now. So I'm gonna take this camera with me. I want to show me actually going to UPS or USPS and sending these off, but I'm by myself, bro. Like, I don't have nobody, bro. I gotta put all these into the truck, take them all out, take them there, and I don't have nobody to hold the camera for me, just like my basketball video. So I'm probably not gonna be able to get footage of that, but I'm gonna try to get footage of everything else. So let me get this ready because the post office is about to close very soon, and I don't want to be like last minute. Yeah, it's about to close very soon. I gotta go. Catch up with y'all soon. Peace. All right, so I got the car full. Now it's time to speed a little bit, even though you're supposed to be speeding. Now it's time to speed a little bit to the post office because I don't want to have to do all that work just to get turned around. See all these shoes? Crazy. I don't want to do all this work just to get turned around by the post office because it's too late. Isn't that close, by the way? So whoever gets sneakers from me, know that your boy put in a lot of effort. Now, even though it looked like I'm last minute this thing, I really didn't. The reason why I'm late, as I told you guys, is because I had to drive like 2 hours out to do this photo shoot for Reebok. That unboxing will be coming very, very soon. I had to get that video done ASAP, and I had to get those pictures done ASAP. So it kind of put me in a bad position because I didn't have time to do this. And I could have pushed shipping back and just did it tomorrow comfortably, but I promised you guys I was gonna get them out. So I'm sticking to my word and I'm getting them out. So make sure you're smashing up the like button right now because, bro, I'm sweating. It's hot. It is so hot. So when I took my pics in the Reebok outfit, I'm not gonna cap, it looked nice. Hold on, let me focus this camera a little bit more. But bro, I was so hot. Atlanta got different heat, bro. You get hot. Don't get me wrong. When I go to Miami, when I go to Florida, I'm hot. Okay, when I went to Myrtle Beach, I was hot. But this hot is different. This is like aggravating. You want to punch the wall. You just want to swing. You remember that scene from Don't Be a Menace and Trey was just swinging on air? But that's what you want to do when you step outside. It's that hot, bro. I mean, it's that hot. So yeah, man, like I told you guys earlier in the house, I'm probably not gonna be able to get the recording of me getting into the USPS store just because it's only me and I got like a bunch of boxes I got to bring in by myself. So I'm about to just floor it, try to get there fast as I can, and get up with y'all later. Bruh, when I say we was this close, this close, bruh. This close. As soon as I walk in there, the lady say we closed. I'm like, ma'am, listen, I got 30 shoes. They all, like, please, just please. And she said no again. And I, you know, so I tried to put my charm on, you know what I'm saying? You know, I looked her right in the eyes, hit her with the Denzel. I looked at her, I said, look, please, look, I have to ship these off today. Can you please find it in your heart to allow me to ship these off? And she did. Now, the irony is this store does not close with a UPS store. Why do I keep saying UPS? The postal store does not close until 5:30. But she says due to quarantine and how they clean the building every night, they close every day 30 minutes early, which I should have thought about, but I just didn't think about. So I came in at like 5 o'clock and they were already closing down to like shut down. They was already kicking people out. Somehow, some way, they allowed me, your boy, Snipe Jones, to get them packages off. So, hey, man, look, y'all, if y'all don't hit that like button, boy, I am sweating like, boy, hey, is hotter than two fat girls in a phone booth fighting over a collect call. I'm gonna wrap this up back at the crib, but just know, I done went through hell and back, man. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, we back at the crib finally. The reason why I wanted to end it off here is because I actually got a package in the mail that was at my post office, guys. To be honest, I got a post box, or at least what do you call it, a PO box, because obviously whenever people send me stuff, I want to be able to have a location for y'all to send it. But to be honest, I rarely ever check it. So since I was at the post office, I just decided to check it and see what was in it. And I got something from M. Thompson, aka MTV Visuals, and I believe I know what this is. I talked to him a while ago about sending over a painting. So I was like kind of excited to see what it was, but also it was a while ago, man. I don't even check my PO box as much as I should. So let's open this up together and see what he sent me. Kind of ramshack this a little bit, but this is dope. Oh yeah. Hey, this can definitely be framed and put up. This is hard. So, but yeah, it's the White Cement 4. Y'all see that? It's White Cement 4, animated pic of the White Cement 4. Very, very dope. And he also has his signature on the bottom, which is MTV Visuals. I'm sorry, MT Visuals. So if you guys head over to Instagram, I'm pretty sure that's his IG because he tags it MT Visuals 2020. Check him out. You also see the MT right there on the tongue. Bro, thank you. I'm gonna frame this. I'm putting it up with the rest of the dope artwork, and it's probably either gonna be in a sneaker room or somewhere in a hallway or somewhere at the new spot for sure. I'm definitely hanging it up. So thank you so much. As for anybody else, man, if y'all have anything that y'all want to send over, feel free. I really link my PO box under every single video, not knowing if anybody gonna use it. But yeah, if you did want to send me anything, that's the best way to send it to me. And other than that, man, that's just about it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in once again. If you guys still want sneakers, I do still have like a few left over from the sale, so if you're interested on picking something up, then please let me know. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.